Hello, I'm James from Roni Deutch's YouTube channel. With all of the talk about auto industry bailouts and bankruptcies, most consumers are hesitant to buy a new car. But if you're thinking about it, now might be a great time to buy. There are plenty of tax benefits to encourage you. One of the biggest incentives to buy a new car is the federal tax law that allows you to deduct both local and state taxes paid. The only catch is, you have to buy between February 16th and December 31st, 2009. Although the savings begin to phase out with the more expensive car purchases, this deduction can easily save you thousands of dollars on your next tax season. To qualify, single taxpayers need to have an adjusted gross income under $125,000, and for joint taxpayers, the cap is $250,000. If you're looking at a new fuel-efficient vehicle, then you may want to consider waiting for one of the new plug-in models later this year. There are lots of advantages to buying a plug-in hybrid, especially ones that can run entirely on battery without using any fuel. There are new tax benefits thanks to the Obama administration. For the first 250,000 plug-ins sold, owners will receive a tax credit between $2,500 and $7,500. After those first cars are sold, the credits will still be available, but in reduced amounts. If you are planning to use your vehicle primarily as a business vehicle, then you may be able to benefit from additional tax deductions. However, be sure to check with your CPA or your tax professional before taking any of these deductions, as the IRS can be very strict about vehicle-related expenses. If you're eyeing a hybrid but aren't sure you can afford it, make sure you check your state and local tax laws. Although most federal hybrid credits are being phased out, there are still numerous states that offer tax incentives to purchase a hybrid vehicle. So even with an unsure auto industry, if you do your research and plan accordingly, the tax savings for buying this year could make it worthwhile. Thanks for watching, and keep your eye out for our next tax tips video on Roni Deutch's YouTube channel.